If you build an app with AI, the first thing a real user sees is not your prompt. It is the link. A long machine-looking address makes a prototype feel unfinished before anyone tests it. Google AI Studio is trying to remove that friction with a new pretty URL for deployed apps. Quick setup note: this workflow works with the current setup and coding agents and stays fully local through Conductor at conductros.com. Now let us separate the part Google actually showed from the assumptions people will make after seeing one short launch clip. The official walkthrough is only about 42 seconds, but it is specific. It opens on the words Custom URLs, then moves into the publish flow for an app called Atelier Menu Studio. The app has a name and a short description. Below that is an app URL field. The creator types a readable name, starts with Atelier, and the interface builds the public ending.ai.studio. When Atelier is available, the screen turns that name into atelier.ai.studio, and the Publish Your App button becomes the next step. The last proof matters most. The video opens that URL in a browser and shows the published app. The source has music, not useful speech, so the clip is muted here. Everything you hear is original narration describing what the official screen actually shows. A pretty URL does not make an app better. It does make the first handoff cleaner. Instead of copying a generic infrastructure address into a message, a builder can share a name that looks like the app they just made. That matters when a prototype moves from one person testing it to a teammate, a client, or a small user group. The source does not prove custom domains, enterprise routing, or production governance. It proves a named subdomain under AI.studio for a deployed app. That is useful because it makes the published result feel more like a product while leaving the harder hosting questions where they belong, in the deployment settings and the engineering review. The official build mode documentation fills in the context around that clip. Google describes build mode as a way to create and iterate on full-stack web apps with natural language prompting. You can share a creation, deploy it, download generated code as a zip, or push the project to GitHub and continue in an existing development workflow. The documentation also says Gemini API keys are handled in the server-side environment for new apps, rather than being included in browser code. And the current deployment page says AI Studio deploys these full-stack applications to Cloud Run. The docs still describe a Cloud Run URL, so the new AI.studio naming flow belongs specifically to Google's July 10th post and its official video until the docs catch up. Google's post says free apps, free deploys, and free pretty URLs. The responsible way to read that is, Google is rolling out the named AI.studio URL feature without a separate URL charge in the announcement. It is not a promise that every app, workload, model call, or Cloud Run configuration is free forever. Google's current starter tier documentation says eligible users can publish up to 2 full-stack applications without setting up a Google Cloud project or billing account. It also says people with active or previous Google Cloud billing accounts can be ineligible, and standard deployment requires a linked project with billing enabled. So use the post to understand the new URL experience. Use the account and deployment pages before you promise a cost structure to anyone else. The interesting workflow is not to abandon your editor for a browser builder. It is to tighten the loop between an agent-made prototype and a real handoff. Use AI Studio to create a focused app, publish a readable test route, let a teammate try the happy path, and then bring the code back into GitHub and your normal review process. That is where coding agents become useful. They can help draft, inspect, test, and explain the project, but they do not replace source control, authentication review, secret handling, or a second pair of eyes. The Conductor screenshot on screen is real product context, not a claim that it deploys this Google app. It shows the kind of multi-agent control surface that lets an operator keep local oversight while cloud tools handle a focused prototype. If you want to try this rollout, start with a disposable app and a harmless public flow. Give it a clear name, publish the app, and check the final address in a clean browser session. Then test what a visitor can actually do. Check whether the app exposes only the intended interface, whether the shared URL behaves correctly, and whether any model usage creates costs. Do not mistake the app title for a security boundary. The official demo says chat history and code stay private, but every project still needs a review of its secrets, data, authentication, and sharing choices. And do not replace your repository with a browser state. Export or push the code, review the diff, and keep the deployment path reproducible. Google AI Studio's new pretty URLs make the final handoff feel less like infrastructure and more like an app someone can try. The official clip proves the named AI.studio flow. The official docs establish the wider build mode and cloud run context. The source links, caveats, and GitHub repo are in the description. And for the current setup, Conductor at conductros.com works with coding agents and stays fully local, with the repo at github.com/sharonik06/conductor-oss. Use the friendly URL, but keep the engineering discipline behind it.